Welcome to 183 Bedford Park Avenue. This is a 4+1 5-bathroom home with a double car laneway garage. You're on the east side of Avenue Road in Lawrence Park North, home of some of the very best schools in the city. You're also steps to the TTC and any kind of amenities, restaurants, cafes you can imagine. The first thing you're gonna notice is the attention to detail. You have the coffered ceilings, LED lighting. There's also heated floors on all levels of the house, and a lot of the rooms also have built-in speakers. The level of detail is impeccable in this home. When you step into the kitchen, you're gonna notice this massive island with built-in wine fridge. You have the Thermador Pro range and hood fan with built-in pot fillers. One of my favorite features in the kitchen is the central vac that's under the cabinets. Get rid of all those crumbs. You have plenty of space for 8 people at a table, and the fridge is French door style KitchenAid, and it's built-in paneled. Same with the dishwasher. This kitchen is 10 out of 10 and also has that heated flooring all throughout. So coming up to the primary bedroom, the first thing you're gonna see is tons of light. You have your own walkout with a massive sized terrace. You also have an amazing ensuite with jacuzzi and steam shower built in. This walkout terrace from the primary bedroom has been freshly updated. It is so perfect for afternoon sun, morning coffee, or evening glass of wine. Come down to the basement, the first thing you notice, 8-foot ceilings. It's actually amazing. There's also sections for heated flooring. This theater room, one of my favorite rooms in the house, has the built-in speakers. It is a great spot for just chilling out, cozy at night. And there's also a +1 bedroom with full bathroom down here in the basement as well. So on top of all the amazing finishes inside the home, you also have incredible outdoor space. In the backyard, great place to entertain. On the top level, you have a balcony, great for coffees. All 3 levels provide their own outdoor space and really makes it a unique feature of the home.